Guys, it's finally here. GotBackup just released their first app. This is going to be a game changer, everybody. This is going to be a game changer for those who are trying to upload their files from their phone to the cloud. This is going to be a game changer for those who are doing the business. So we'll waste no time. We'll jump right into it. We're going to go into the App Store, download the app, and do a quick review of it, a quick tutorial as to how you can be up and running with this app right away. You search here for GotBackup, GotBackup. You select it, and there we go. Bam! Right? I already downloaded it, so we're just gonna open it just to show you what it looks like. You click on it, and then you get to see all the information you need about the app and what it does. So here we go. Once you get into the app, we're gonna open the app. The app looks like this when you open it. Once you open it, you get to click these three little bars down here. Then you hit settings. Once you hit settings, then you click auto upload. Once you hit auto upload, you select a folder. So you can create a folder like I did. I just created iPhone folder, and I'll call this one number 2 since I already have iPhone folder number 1. And there you go. Now all you have to do is just select your folder, right? Once you have your folder selected, then you want to click auto upload photos. Right? Now remember, if you have unlimited data on your phone as your phone service, you don't have to worry about this. But if you have limited data, you can turn this one on and use it on Wi-Fi. Also, for uploading videos, also you can hit that one to upload your videos. But before you do that one, I would recommend that you click this button that says use subfolders, because what it's gonna do, it's going to organize your files on the back end. So that's all you gotta do, guys. Once you have gone into the app, created your folder, and you click these settings, you're good to go. Okay, so once you have gotten your files to download, if you go to the transfer screen, you'll see the transfers that are taking place. Pretty much all the pictures and the videos that you have saved, everything is going to be right here on your phone that you can access not only from your phone but any device that you have connectivity to the internet. So there you go, guys. It's amazing that we now have this tool. We get to promote our businesses, we get to save our data. Guys, the future is here. However, let's protect the past by backing up our data with GotBackup. I would definitely recommend that when you're backing up your data, that you leave your phone plugged in, because the whole act of transferring files for many hours on your first and initial backup will drain your phone. So keep it plugged in so that while you're doing the transfers, it will not be interrupted. And I also recommend you again that if you have unlimited data on your phone, you don't have to worry about it. But if you don't, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi while you're doing the transfer of your files, especially the initial transfer. That's going to take a good long time if you have multiple years of photos, videos, and files that you want to back up. So it's real easy to sign up. Just go to johnnyplumber.com and you'll be redirected to the official GotBackup website where you can sign up for free and then check it out. And if you're impressed and want to move forward with backing up your data and making a full-time income doing so, you can enroll. You'll join my team and I'll be able to share with you the tips, the tricks, and all the solutions that we're using to find success here with GotBackup. Take care, guys.